Have you ever had your stop loss hunted just to watch the market reverse without you? That's not bad luck. It's a liquidity trap. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to spot these stop hunts and trade reversals like a pro. I'm Wendell from SpekTrades, and today we're turning liquidity sweeps into sniper entries. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. Time and price, the tool of smart money. What is the time and price theory? This theory states that price moves are influenced by time, not just price levels, and that institutions use key times like session opens to control price and create liquidity sweeps. So timing is just as important as price in trading. As you can see right here, this is our Asian consolidation session between 4 p.m. to 12 a.m. EST. We can see that price is giving us lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows. And during the Asian consolidation session, this is where price will give us our consolidation. Price will build this range where liquidity will be above and below this old range right here. And during our London manipulation period between 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. EST, we can see that price will push down lower to give us a liquidity sweep of the Asian consolidation lows right here. This is our London manipulation. This right here helps us understand the day's directional bias. And last but not least, we have our New York distribution session between 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. EST. This is where price will start respecting all previous bullish PD arrays until we reach our main take profit zone. This right here is a full schematic on our time and price theory. Now let's go over how does it work. The key time periods. Our London kill zone is between 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. EST. As you can see right here, just like I stated, the Asian session from 4 p.m. to 12 a.m. is where price will consolidate. Price will build orders above and below this old range right here. And during the London session from 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. EST, price pushed down lower to give us a London session manipulation of these old lows right here. As you can see right here, price accumulated, then manipulated lower and rallied to give us a break of structure right here. So we were once in a downtrend, but after price give us a liquidity sweep of this Asian session and give us a break of structure of these old highs, we have gone from being in a downtrend to now being in a uptrend. The London kill zone is highly volatile and it sets the day's directional bias. And next we have our New York open kill zone between 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. EST. This is where liquidity grabs and reversals, major market moves happens here. After our London session break of structure of these old highs, during the New York session kill zone, price pulled back to mitigate this fair value gap and tap inside of this broken order block. This order block right here was supposed to be a bearish engulfing order block. Price was supposed to respect it to keep the bearish trend moving. But after price violated this order block right here, price comes back and respect this order block and then rallies higher to come and clear our old highs. And after each break of structure, just like I stated on the schematic, price will respect all the bullish PD arrays. We can see that price push down lower to mitigate this fair value gap and this old high right here and then rallies higher. And our end of day kill zone is between 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. EST. Market tend to consolidate and prepare for the next cycle. A quick tip is to only trade during the kill zone times. Stick to high impact time windows. Do not ever trade between the Asian session because price is just building this range where liquidity is building above and below this old range right here. You can either trade during the London session and catch this London session manipulation, or trade during the New York session and catch this New York session distribution. And also use confluences. Combine time setups with higher time frame structure. I hope you've been taking notes. Now let's hop on the charts and go over a full live example on how we execute the time and price theory. And now we're on the chart. As you guys can see right here, I mostly like to execute this strategy on the 15-minute time frames. It shows the whole day to me, like on the 15 minutes. I can see the whole sessions happens. So right here is our Asian session consolidation. Right, make sure you guys have this indicator. I talk about this a lot. It's called Range Box by Nephew Sam. These are just the simple indicators. I don't use too much indicators. I have this one also for the news, and then this one is just something, yeah, just a little title. But yeah, this indicator right here is super important right here because it displays our Asian session. Just like I stated, the Asian session is a liquidity zone where liquidity is hiding below and above the Asian session. As you can see right here, just like we stated, the London session is where our manipulation mostly happens. If we can just stay patient for our manipulation to just happen and then prepare for our New York distribution, That's where our power lies, right? So as you can see, during the Asian session, you can just label this Asian session manipulation. So just like we stated, after our accumulation, what is our next step? Our London session manipulation. So this right here, just like I stated, it gives us our directional bias. Price has been in this downtrend. Price was giving us lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. And then during the Asian session, price built this consolidation range right here. So we can see that price push down lower to give us a liquidity sweep of the Asian lows. And then we can see that price rally higher. So if we can get a breakup structure of this internal range high right here, this right here will be our change of character, right? Price has been in this downtrend, but now we want to see price go down and go back up in this uptrend. It's going to clear this old high right here. Now let's play price, and boom, we can see that price rallies higher and give us a full body breakup structure of this old high right here. But we have to be patient, right? You can't just enter your trade, right? You have to be patient for pullbacks. You want to see price pull back inside of a discount zone and then rally higher before you pull back inside of this zone right here. So let's grab our GAN box. As you can see, if you align the GAN box from the low to the high, you have your range, right, from this low. So everything inside of this discount zone right here is feasible to be a PD array for you to use to attack these old highs right here, right? You never want to use a zone in premium, right? When you want to long, you want to use a zone in discount. What is the PD array that most appeals to us? I'm going to give you guys just a second for you guys to just guess. The PD array that is best right here is our breaker block. You guys may be like, where is this breaker block? We can see that price push down lower to give us a liquidity sweep of these old lows and rally higher to give us a breakup structure of this internal range high right here. So this right here, the last bullish candlestick, is our bullish breaker block, and it's inside our discount zone right here. This right here is a beautiful PD array we can use to attack these old highs right here. We're just gonna place our trade. As you can see, all of this happening is between the New York kill zone time from 7 a.m. right, perfect, to around 1 or 2 p.m. to around 1 or 2 p.m. for the full morning session, to around 11 a.m. from 7 to 11 a.m. As you can see, I'm just gonna place my trade, my stop loss right at these old lows, and my entry right at the breaker block high. And I'm targeting prior highs right here, opposing sides of liquidity. This is where this downtrend started. So I'm looking for price to give me a pullback, mitigate this breaker to then extend higher to come and clear these old highs right here. Now let's play price. We can see that price push down lower and tap inside of our breaker. Now we have to be patient and manage our trade, right? You want to see more lower time frame breaker structures to confirm this old trade right here. As you can see, price left this other order block right here. Perfect. After price tapped inside of our zone, price left a second order block. So price may give us a retest of this old zone right here. So if you miss this entry, you can come back and use a second entry. Your stop loss is the same stop loss, and you're targeting the same take profit zone. This right here could be your second entry. You can see that price also left this inducement low right here also. Now price will push down lower, clear that inducement low, tap inside of our order block, and now we're looking for it to come and clear these old highs. Boom. This right here is how you execute the New York power of 3. Accumulation, manipulation, and finally distribution. The New York power of 3 is probably one of the most powerful trading models. Well, this is it. I hope this video provided you a lot of value and you gained a lot of insight. If you guys are enjoying these videos, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe down below. That will really help the channel to grow. And make sure you comment down below what you think and any more video ideas. This is it. SpekTrades out.